Fascia. In Chinese medicine, there is no mention of fascia per se, but there is much mention of the triple burner and the Ying law network. These concepts are actually better descriptions of the workings of the body than the poorly defined term fascia. Despite this, fascia is so well known within both Western medicine and its own increasingly large field that a description is necessary. Fascia is part of what is called connective tissue, which, unsurprisingly, connects things. It is formed from the middle layer of the body, which corresponds to the jelly in our primitive ancestor, the jellyfish. This jelly persists and forms the first part of fascia that we will discuss, the ground substance. The ground substance provides the matrix within which all of the other components of fascia exist: collagen, elastin, and even the cells themselves. It provides a home for these materials, and the key aspect of this is that it stays hydrated. Failure to do this will mean the fibres of collagen and elastin suffer and become brittle. The ground substance can be understood like the cement that holds everything together. The next layer is the most well known in some ways and is collagen. If the ground substance is cement, then collagen is the reinforcing steel within it. In fact, per weight, collagen is actually stronger than steel. Collagen is a triple helix of which two fibres are the same and one is slightly different. This is on account of the addition of a different type of amino acid. Collagen is white in appearance and is not only extremely strong but also both conducts and creates electricity when moved, a property called piezoelectricity. The entire structure of fascia is what the Chinese describe as the triple burner, and this ability to generate electricity when we move is linked into the burner or heater quality within this organ. This is covered further in the triple burner section. Collagen creation is governed by the liver, and this also links the liver to the triple burner. The next component of fascia is elastin. These fibres are, as the name suggests, elastic. They create a branching network that can stretch to a certain point and allows fascia to both stretch and also to return back to its starting position. Elastin is particularly affected by dryness and resonates with the Yang Ming layer in particular. Finally, although fascia is defined primarily by these three components, the gel, collagen and elastin, they are created by cells that reside within this layer. These cells are primarily fibroblasts, which lay down the fibres of collagen and elastin along lines of stress. Remember, fascia is alive. As mentioned at the beginning, fascia per se doesn't exist in the Chinese model of the body, and this is because it is subsumed into the triple burner. In fact, this description of fascia given is really that of the fascial rivers or sheets that surround organs and muscles and makes membranes such as the pericardium and pleural membranes. In these areas, two fascial sheets oppose each other, allowing the body to slide against each other. This is like the lining of a plastic bag, and it is through this tiny potential space between the two layers of fascia that the Ying channels exist and qi flows.